हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू पीएचडी जॉब एंड एडमिशन। तो आज के इस वीडियो में डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर यूनिवर्सिटी आगरा के पीएचडी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन से रिलेटेड है। तो जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हम आपको सेक्शन ए की प्रिपरेशन करवाते हैं DBRAU के लिए। तो इस वीडियो में हमने आपके लिए टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड के बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लाए हैं। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हर यूनिट में से आपको 5 क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे जाएंगे। तो आज का ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आपको टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड के सारे जो कंसेप्ट है वो क्लियर हो जाएंगे और आपको ये भी पता चल जाएगा कि एग्जामिनेशन में कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखें ताकि आपके सारे डाउट क्लियर हो जाए और आपको एग्जाम क्लियर करने के चांसेस और भी बढ़ जाए। DBRAU पीएचडी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन सेक्शन ए की प्रिपरेशन को और भी बूस्ट करने के लिए हमने आपके लिए कंप्लीट कोर्स लॉन्च किया है, जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स आपको मिलेंगे वीडियो लेक्चर्स ऑन ऑल द टॉपिक, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव नोट्स, साथ ही आपको मिलेंगे मॉक टेस्ट विच विल हेल्प यू टू प्रैक्टिस एंड यू विल ऑल्सो गेट द MCQ PDF। तो अगर आप हमारा कोर्स लेते हैं और उससे प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तो आपको कोई भी और मटेरियल रिफर करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जो क्वेश्चन है तो इसी में से पूछे जाएंगे और हम आपको गारंटी देते हैं कि आपका सिलेक्शन जो है वो पक्का हो जाएगा। तो जल्दी से आप इस कोर्स को ज्वाइन करिए। ये कोर्स आपको मिलेगा ग्लोबल ऑनलाइन ऐप पर, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। साथ ही हमने आपको एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी प्रोवाइड किया है। अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेरी है तो इस नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कीजिए और यहाँ पर आपके जो डाउट है वो क्लियर कर दीजिए। ओके, इस कंप्लीट कोर्स की जो फीस है वो है 499। सो ज्वाइन टुडे एंड क्रैक योर PhD एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन।
Are primary classes only, junior classes only, 10th and 12th classes only, both for primary and higher classes। इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, both for primary and higher classes। Here is the explanation for the same। Micro teaching is a teacher training and faculty development technique whereby a teacher review or recording of teaching session in order to get constructive feedback from peers and students about what the work and what improvement can be made to their teaching technique। Armstrong was the main exponent of, and options are problem solving method, project method, discussion method, heuristic method। The correct answer for this question is option number D, heuristic method। In the heuristic method, students is put on the place of independent discover. Thus, no help or guidance is provided by the teacher in this method। In this method, the teacher set the problem to students and then stand aside while they discover the answer। कौन सी मेथड में मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स का पार्टिसिपेशन पॉसिबल है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर लेक्चर मेथड, डिस्कशन, टेक्स्ट बुक मेथड, ऑडियो विजुअल एड। द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डिस्कशन मेथड। हियर इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर द सेम। डिस्कशन मेथड आर द variety of forum for the open-ended collaborative exchange of idea among the teacher and students or among the students for the purpose of furthering students' thinking, learning, problem solving, understanding or literacy appreciation। Which of the following combines scope of large group, small group or individualized teaching method? And options are group discussion, differentiated instruction, brainstorming and none of the above। The correct answer of this question is option number B, differentiated instruction। Differentiation means tailoring instruction to meet individual needs। Whether teacher differentiate content, process, product or the learning environment, the use of ongoing assessment and flexible grouping makes this successful approach to instruction। Use of telecast material facilitates, and options are better concentration and learning to reach large number of people, better retention of topics taught, all of the above। The correct answer is option number D, all of the above। Here is the explanation for the same। The message that is transmitted by radio or television is called telecast material। film clip, a strip of motion picture film used in the telecast. Symposium किसका type है? And options are discovery method, discussion method, lecture method, demonstration method. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डिस्कशन मेथड. Symposium is a discussion method in which different viewpoints on a single aspect of topic is discussed. Education technology क्यों यूजफुल है? And options are it is the need of the hours, it is adopted by famous institution, it makes teaching effective and efficient, it attracts students towards teaching and learning activity. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, it makes teaching effective and efficient. Educational technology is a systematic application of relevant technological process and resources in teaching with a goal to improve students' performance. If majority of students in your class are weak, you should, and options are not care about the intelligent students, keep your speed of teaching fast so that students' comprehension level may increase, keep your teaching slow along with some extra guidance to bright pupils. The correct answer of this question is option number D. If majority of students in your class are weak, you should keep your teaching slow along with some extra guidance to bright pupils. If majority of students are weak in the class, then the teacher should teach in an unrushed manner for a weak students. Also, he can also give extra information to bright students so that they won't lose interest. A teacher who is not able to draw attention of his student should, and options are evaluate his teaching method and improve it, resign from the post, find fault in his pupils, start dictating. The correct answer is evaluate his teaching method and improve it. Here is the explanation for the same. If a teacher is unable to draw attention of students, he should evaluate his method and should improve his teaching skill. Also, he should try different way to explain if the student is unable to understand any concept. If remarks are passed by the students on you, as a teacher, you will, and options are punish them, expel them from the college, take revenge while evaluating internal test copies, be impartial at the time of evaluation. The correct answer of this question is option number D, be impartial at the time of evaluation. A good teacher will always be impartial at the time of performance evaluation, even if the remarks are passed on him or her. The intellectual skills are reflected by, and options are cognitive domain, affective domain, psychomotor domain, and none of the above. The intellectual skills are affected by cognitive domain. The cognitive domain is related to the development of intellectual capability, that is thinking and knowledge. It is the core learning domain. The other domains, that is affective and psychomotor, require at least some cognitive component. It functions at 6 levels: knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthetic, and evaluation. Which of the following statement is not true? And options are teaching is just an art, teachers can be trained only, teachers are born, and all of the above. The correct answer for this question is option number D, all of the above. Here is the explanation for the same. Teaching is both art and science. It is a science in that there are strategies and practices that a body of research has shown to be effective in enhancing learning. It is an art in that teacher must bring themselves fully into their teaching hands. Option 1 is incorrect. Option 2 is incorrect because teacher cannot be trained only. Option 3 is incorrect because teachers are not just born. They need training to be good teacher. Nobody is perfect. Teachers also learn and practice while teaching. Teachers can learn through their mistakes and feedbacks. At which of the following teaching level classroom environment is required to be sufficiently open and independent? And options are memory level, understanding level, reflective level, and all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number C, reflective level. Classroom environment is to be sufficiently open and independent in reflective level. The learner are motivated and active. The aim is to develop the reflective power for learner so that they can solve the problem of their life by reasoning, logic, and imagination and lead successfully and happy life. The rules for presenting the content to make them easy are called, and options are method of teaching, maxims of teaching, technique of teaching, teaching strategies. The correct answer of this question is option number B, maxims of teaching. The rules used by the teacher in the process of teaching are called as maxims of teaching. इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट नहीं है? And options are a good communicator cannot be a good teacher. A good communicator has good sense of humor. A good communicator has wide reading knowledge. A good communicator has command over language. The correct answer of this question is option number A. A good communicator cannot be a good teacher. Here is the explanation for the same. A good communicator cannot be a good teacher. This statement is false because a good communicator has a high chance of being good teacher as he or she will be able to explain subject well to be purpose. Hence option A is the right answer. इसमें से कौन सी टीचर के सामने बहुत important challenge है? And options are to maintain discipline in the class, to make students to do their homework, to prepare question paper, to make teaching learning process enjoyable. The correct answer of this question is option number D. The most important challenge before a teacher is to make teaching learning process enjoyable. Listening to the lecture is basically, and options are informational listening, evaluative listening, emphatic listening, and dynamic listening. The correct answer of this question is option number B, evaluative listening. Evaluative listening or critical listening, in this type the listener evaluates the accuracy, meaningfulness and utility of speaker message. प्राइमरी लेवल में मातृभाषा में सिखाना बहुत अच्छा होता है. क्यों? एंड ऑप्शंस आर इट डेवलप सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इन चिल्ड्रन, इट मेक लर्निंग इजी, it is help in intellectual development, it helps children to learn in natural atmosphere. The correct answer of this question is option number D, it helps children to learn in natural atmosphere. Here is the explanation for the same. At the primary level, it is better to teach in mother language because it helps the children in learning in a natural atmosphere. Research indicated that having a strong mother tongue foundation lead to much better understanding for the curriculum as well as a more positive attitude towards school. So, it's vital that the children maintain their first language when they begin schooling in the different language. Which theory of learning has found that knowledge of internal process is crucial to the understanding of learning? And options are cognitive theory, stimulus response theory, operant conditioning theory, classical conditioning theory. The correct answer of this question is option number A, cognitive theory. Cognitive learning theory explains how internal and external factors influence an individual mental process to supplement learning. Delay and difficulty in learning are seen when the cognitive processes are not working regularly. These processes are such as attention, observation, retrieval from long-term memory and categorization. The best remedy of the student's problem related with learning is, and options are suggestion for hard work, supervised study in library, suggestion for private tuition, diagnostic teaching. The best remedy of the student's problem related with learning is Diagnostic teaching. Diagnostic teaching refers to the process that enables students to detect, understand and correct misconceptions in their work. This type of teaching involves a constant interplay between assessment and instruction to evaluate learning ability and teaching effectiveness respectively. The blackboard can be utilized best by the teacher for, and options are: putting the matter of teaching in black and white, make the students attentive, writing the important and notable points, highlighting the teacher himself. The blackboard can be utilized best by the teacher for writing the important and notable points. Here is the explanation for the same. Blackboard is an important tool used by the teacher. Its use should be frequently made for drawing necessary sketch and diagram. The blackboard summary should be written in neat, clean and legible way. For a teacher teaching a class with a large strength, which of the technique is best? Options are debate, discussion and practicals, group work with lecture, lecture and class notes, self-study and asking question. The correct answer for this question is option number C, lecture and class notes. Some advantages of lecture include greater teacher control in the classroom and facilitate large class communication. The main objective of students' evaluation of teachers are to gather information about student weakness, to make teacher take teaching seriously, to help teacher adopt innovative method of teaching, to identify the area of further improvement in teaching trait, identify the correct answer from the code given below. The correct answer of this question is option number B, that is to make teachers take decisions seriously, to help teacher adopt innovative method of teaching, to identify the area for further improvement in teaching traits. Evaluation is systematic determination of the subject merit, worth and significance using criteria governed by set of standards. What is the use of textbook in the class? And options are to achieve learning objective, to demeld what is to be taught, to explain idea and concept, set new standards. The correct answer of this question is option number A, to achieve learning objectives. Learning objective put the focus on the students and learning. Which set of learner characteristics may be considered helpful in designing effective teaching learning system? Select the correct alternative for the code given below. Prior experience of learner in respect of subject, interpersonal relationship of learning family friends, ability of learner in respect of subject, students language background, interest of students in following prescribed dress code, motivational orientation of the students. The correct answer of this question is option number B. Summative evaluation is used for which of the following purpose? To monitor students' progress during the learning process, primarily to certify or grade students, to find out what the students' interests and work habits are, to assign students to specific learning groups. The correct answer is primarily to certify or grade students. Here is the explanation for the same. Summative evaluation or assessment of learning refer to the assessment of participant where the focus is on outcome of the program. If learning to know is the aim of education, then students should be, and options are, provided with latest global knowledge, taught with the help of latest technology, both A and B and none of the above. If learning to know is aim of education, then students should be provided with latest global knowledge. The time-bound testing program for the students should be implemented in school so that, and options are, the progress of the student should be informed to their parent, a regular practice can be carried out, the students can be trained for the final examination, The remedial program can be adopted on the basis of the explanation for the result. The correct answer of this question is option number D. The remedial program can be adopted on the basis of explanation for the result. Essay type tests are not reliable because, and options are, their answers are different, their results are different, their checking is affected by examiner's mood, their responding style are different. Essay type tests are not reliable because their checking is affected by examiner mood. A student who seeks meaning and reasoning for what she or he learns can be classified as, and options are, innovative learner, common sense learner, dynamic learner, analytic learner. The correct answer is analytic learner. Here is the explanation for the same. Analytical learners love logic, puzzles, and uncovering how their world works. These learners sometimes drive their parent and teacher crazy by asking why all the time. They love being presented with new problems and working through them in a systematic way. Analytical learners tend to do best when the information is presented in an orderly, step-by-step fashion. They prefer to focus on learning the small detail first and then move on the make sense of whole concept. Analytical learners usually have long attention span and work best by themselves, which allow them to focus on single problem until it is solved to there. स्वयंप्रभा में कितने चैनल्स हैं? And options are 32, 30, 34 and 33. The correct answer is option number C, 34. The Swayamprabha is a group of 34 DTH channels devoted to telecasting of high quality educational program on 24/7 basis using the GSAT-15 satellite. Every day there will be new content for at least 4 hours, which will be repeated 5 more times in a day, allowing the students to choose time of their convenience. Which of the following is an example of intervening variable? And options are an instructional material, teacher, students and administration. The correct answer is an instructional material. Teaching method, teaching aids and motivational technique which also facilitate the teaching learning process are termed as intervening variables. Which of the following statement is false? And options are teaching and instruction are the same concept. There is a difference between teaching and learning. Education is wider term than teaching, training, research, etc. And all of the above are true. Teaching and instruction are the same concept. This statement is the wrong. The substantial difference between teach and instruct is that you can teach almost everything, concept, idea, theory or say history. When you instruct someone, you are giving them a set of tools or tasks to do something specific. Which domain is concerned with physical and motor skill? And options are cognitive domain, affective domain, psychomotor domain and none of the above. Psychomotor domain is concerned with physical and motor skill. The psychomotor domain includes physical movement, coordination and use of motor skill area. Development of this skill requires practice and is measured in terms of speed, distance, procedure or technique in execution. Which of the following practice belongs to the method of diagnostic evaluation? And options are the teacher conduct evaluation in the beginning of teaching learning process. The teacher conduct evaluation at the end of teaching learning process. An end semester examination, an internal assessment test. The correct answer is option number A. The teacher conduct evaluation in the beginning of teaching learning process. The formative evaluation determines the extent to which the student accomplished the learning target. Therefore, it focuses on the measurement of intended outcomes. The diagnostic evaluation goes a step further and tries to provide an explanation for the possible cause for problem in learning. Diagnostic tests are thus more comprehensive and detailed. Which of the following is or are true of whole group instruction? And options are: permit students to progress at their own, convenience of teaching the same skill or content to the entire class, give a teacher chance to introduce new skill at the level of suited to particular students, and all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number B, convenient for teaching the same skill or content to the entire class. An effective teaching aid is a one which, and options are: it's colorful and good looking, activate to all the faculties, is visible to all the students, easy to prepare and use. The correct answer of this question is option number B. An effective teaching aid is a one which activates all the faculties. With the smaller class, teachers are much more able to identify the learning problems, provide individual attention, adapt instruction to individual difference among students, and all of the above. The correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Use of telecast material, and options are: enhance concentration and learning, reduce the burden of teacher, increase retention power, and all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number A, enhance concentration and learning. The use of telecast material enhance concentration and learning as visual are better written in memory than written words. An effective teaching is next step, and options are: a teacher teach with enthusiasm, a teacher find fault in students, a teacher put emphasis more on teaching than on class control, a teacher is interested in making the subject better understood rather than on completing course. The correct answer of this question is option number B, a teacher find fault in his students. An effective teacher will not try to find fault in his students. He will teach with enthusiasm. He put more emphasis on teaching, and he also interested in making the subject better understood by the students. Which option best describe factor affecting teaching related to the learner? And options are: age and maturity of the learner, attention and interest of the learner, knowledge about teaching method of the learner, previous teaching experience of the learner, extrovert nature of the learner. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Knowledge about teaching method is an area of knowledge of the teacher. So learner may or may not have knowledge of the same. Nature of the learner being only extrovert have nothing much more to do so to affect teaching. He or she can be introvert, rest of the factor affect teaching. The teacher in the class want to choose such a style of teaching which result in the learner optimal participation, and the teacher also not losing the control over his or her class. Which among the following will be most suitable? And options are: learner center, student center, blended style, and none of these. The correct answer is blended style. Teacher center will ensure control of the teacher over the class. Learner center will ensure that the opinion of the students are taken care of and they are require autonomy. And a balance between both will lead to using the blended style for the given circumstances. From the given assertion and reason, choose the correct option from the below. Assertion: new age learning is totally dependent on learner-centered learning approach. Reason: learners nowadays demand more autonomy in teaching approaches and want their opinion to be counted accordingly in the process of teaching learning. And options are: both A and R correct, and R is the correct explanation of the A. Both A and R correct, but R is not the correct explanation of the A. A is the correct while R is incorrect. A is incorrect while R is correct. The correct answer for this question is option number D. A is incorrect while R is correct. Now is the time of blended learning approach involving both the teacher as well as the students, or a learner-centered approaches. Learner-centered Learner actively concentrate their own knowledge. Teacher center. Students are viewed as empty vessels who passively receive knowledge from their teacher. Consider the following statement in a context of teaching and identify and write the code from the below. Assertion and reason. Assertion. Learner characteristic differences can be found by closely monitoring the overall personality of the learner. Reason. So the first task of every teacher in a class should be know and study individual differences among his pupils. And options are both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of the A. Both the A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of the A. A is the correct but R is incorrect. A is the incorrect but R is the correct. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of the A. Individual differences are found in all the psychological characteristics, physical, mental ability, knowledge, habit, personality and character traits. Individual differences in bodily appearance and physics, habit and skill, interest and temperament, ability and attainment have already been recognized. Which of the following factors comprise classroom environment? Physical factor, social factor, cultural factor, psychological factor, and options are both 1 and 2, both 2 and 3, both 1 and 3 and all of the above. The correct answer is option number A, both 1 and 2, that is physical factor and social factors. Classroom environment comprises of both the physical and the social factor. Physical factor, this include the infrastructure, building, laboratories, library facilities, teaching aid, cleanliness, and so on. Social factors include the relationship that all the critical factors have with each other, such as relationship between the teacher and the management, students and the teacher, etc. An individual awareness of his or her own memory process and the way in which storage and retrieval of information can be enhanced is termed as, and options are semantic memory, episodic memory, procedural memory and meta memory. An individual awareness of his or her own memory process and the way in which storage and retrieval of information can be enhanced is termed as meta memory. Meta memory refers to any judgment that is made about the memory. This includes feeling of knowing judgment, judgment about the tip of tongue state, confidence judgment about memory and judgment of learning, as well as a source judgment and remember known judgments. टीचर प्लेसमेंट इवैल्यूएशन का यूज क्यों करता है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर फाइंड आउट व्हाट नॉलेज एंड स्किल्स स्टूडेंट्स हैव मास्टर्स, डिस्कवर द कॉज ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स लर्निंग और बिहेवियरल प्रॉब्लम, both A and B and none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number A, find out what knowledge and skills students have masters. Placement evaluation means an interview and evaluation of a person with a developmental disability and review of the person's prior medical and program historic to determine the appropriate developmental disability program and service for the person. Why do teachers use teaching aid? And options are to make teaching fun-filled, to teach within the understanding level of students, for students' attention, to make students attentive. The correct answer is option number B, to teach with the understanding level of students. Teaching aid can come in almost any form. Some of the most common are pictures, videos, chat, flashcards, and objects like a three-dimensional model or educational toy. The term teaching aid is used to identify such a material as being a supplement to the basic teaching. सेकेंडरी स्कूल टेलीविजन प्रोजेक्ट इंडिया में कब आया था? एंड ऑप्शंस आर 1961, 1959, 1968 एंड 1962. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए 1961. Secondary school television project was designed for the secondary school students of Delhi with an aim to improve the standard of teaching in a view of shortage of laboratory space equipment, and this project started on experimental basis in October 1961 for teaching of physics, chemistry, English and Hindi for the students of class 11th. What are the components of TIAS model in curriculum? And options are aim, subject content, teaching evaluation. Second option is purpose, education, experience, effective organization of experience, organization of goal. Option C, aim of education, organization of content, testing and feedback. Option D, subject content, teaching, learning and testing. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, पर्पस, एजुकेशन, एक्सपीरियंस, इफेक्टिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ गोल.